These air-fried Brussels sprouts will turn those haters of Brussels sprouts into new fans. Perfectly tender, crisp texture and a harmony of flavors, these Brussels sprouts are the perfect side dish for any occasion. And I'm going to show you how simple they are to make in the air fryer today on the Stay at Home Chef. To start, we need, well, Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts have been given a bad name, and my theory is they've been cooked wrong. Boiling them brings out textures and flavors that aren't very desirable. The air fryer is a magical machine when it comes to cooking Brussels sprouts. Take about 1 pound to 1.5 pounds of Brussels sprouts, trim them up, and then halve them. Once they're trimmed and halved, add them to a bowl and flavor them up with 1/4 cup of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and I really like the combination of the fats here, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, and then 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Toss to make sure all is coated and that the flavoring soaks into the Brussels sprouts. Then, working in batches if needed, place the Brussels sprouts in the air fryer basket or tray. They need to be in a single layer and they need to have airflow around them, so make sure they're spaced out. Then we're going to roast them in the air fryer at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, or as hot as you can get your machine, for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, take it out, give it a shake, and then we're going to grate some Parmesan cheese onto that. Cook that for 5 more minutes until those sprouts are tender to your liking. You'll know they're cooked perfectly when you see a little bit of browning and they smell amazing. Grab a fork, plop down on the couch, and enjoy. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayathomechef.com, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.